Today I'll be showing you how to use for loops in Golang. If this is the first time you meet, my name is Felix and welcome to my channel, Felix the Dev. And I'm a software developer, computer programming teacher, and coach. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and my passion is to help people like you learn how to code, and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you would like videos like this one to help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. And as you're coming in, I would like to know, where are you watching this video from what country? So drop it in the comment section of this video. Where are you watching this video from? So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go to our Go for Beginners project as part of this series. We're going to create a new folder like in our previous videos, and we're going to call it for_loops. And we're going to create a new file, and it's going to be called main.go. And we're going to go ahead, and if you want to keep watching the videos of the previous videos of this series, I'm going to put the info cards here so you can check them out. So we're going to copy the code from our Hello World video, and we're going to go ahead and take this off. Okay, so what are for loops? And for loops are known as a looping construct, and they're used to run code a specified number of times. So, and something that is very particular of Go is that Go does not have other looping structures such as the do while and the while loop that you may see in other programming languages such as Java. So this is the syntax for a for loop in Golang. So we type first the keyword for, then this is the basic syntax. Let me put it right here. Syntax. And the first part we're going to do is the initialization of our loop control variable, which is the loop that the variable is going to control the iterations, or how many times our loop or for loop is going to be executed, or the code is going to run. And we're going to do the condition and the modification, and we're going to have code between these two brackets or curly braces right here. So that's the basic syntax of a for loop in Golang. And something that we need to note is that the braces here are required, and you do not need parentheses like in other programming languages such as Java. So that is something to note. So that's something that is very characteristic of Go compared to other programming languages like Java, where you do need the parentheses on the for loops. So in summary of the syntax, we're going to have a loop control variable here. We're going to initialize it, then we're going to check on each iteration is called, or each the time that the loop executes. We're going to check it if it's true, and we're going to modify that loop control variable. And for that, we're going to do an example so you can see it all in action. And for our example, we're going to type the keyword for, then we're going to initialize a variable with the shorthand notation, or the shorthand way, and we're going to then do j minus 7, j plus plus. And then we're going to go ahead and do fmt println and we're going to display or print in our console the word iteration number, let's put a colon, and or value of j in that current iteration. So here we go. Let's go ahead and run this. So as you see, this is what happened. First, we initialized our variable or loop control variable called j. We initialized it to 0. Then it went to the condition and it said, okay, is 0 less? Is it less than 7? Yes. So it then went inside the braces and it printed iteration number and the value of j, which was 0. Then it added 1 to j, so it's 0 plus 1, and now j is 1. So now it went to the condition again, and it did, is 1 less than 7? That's correct. Then it printed this statement right here, and the value of j, which is 1. Then it went again to the condition and it said, and asked, okay, is 2 less than 7? That's correct, that's true. So it went to and printed the statement with the value, which is 2 at the moment. And it kept doing the same thing until this condition right here is false. So something that's very important to know is that the initialization part only happens once, and it's at the beginning. So when you declare it right here and you initialize it, this loop control variable, is that it's only done once, but we keep checking during each loop if this condition is true. And then we actualize, or we modify the loop control variable. That's why it's called a loop control variable, because it controls the flow or the number of executions of the loop. So that's the order. So as a recap, initialization goes one time, then we check, we print, or we do the code, then we modify the loop control variable. So then in the second time we do check the condition, print the line, or do the code, then modify the loop control variable. Then on the third iteration we check the condition, we print the statement, and we modify the loop control variable. Then on the fourth iteration we check the condition, print the statement, and modify the loop control variable. So that's the order of the steps, and it keeps going and going until this right here is false. When it's false, it stops. So my question to you guys is, what is the last value of j after the loop stops executing, or stops looping, or stops iterating? That's another word. So what's the value of j after the condition right here is false? So what's the last value of j? That's the question for this video. So you're gonna go ahead and drop your answer in the comment section of this video. So go ahead, try it out yourself and drop it. Let's see if you got it right. Oh, and another thing, we can go ahead and change the name of the variable, of the loop control variable. It could be I chose j, but most people use I, like as a convention on books and stuff, but it's okay, like I as an index, but it can be, you see it still runs, but it can be any name of the variable. Let's go back to J. So the opportunity of the week for this video is going to be the Montem Health and Wellness Scholarship. The prize is $1,500. The deadline to apply is September 30th, 2019. The link is on the description for more information on how to apply and the requirements. This video is not sponsored by the company that hosts this scholarship. This is just an opportunity that came my way, and I wanted to share with you guys because there's college students that watch my videos, and this can help you out in some way if you win it. So the link on the description section on this video where it says opportunity of the week, and you will find the link. And if you like this video, click on that like button. Also share this video with a friend and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. I upload videos every week to help you as a computer science student or someone learning how to code. So like videos like this one. And if you would like to support the channel, check out the Ko-fi page. It's going to be on the screen. And also the link is going to be in the description as well, where you can find it on the section of ways that you can support the channel. And thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And if you would like to use a book as a reference to learn Golang, then there's also a book recommendation section on the description of this video, where you find links of books that you can purchase to learn Golang, to use as a reference while you're learning Golang. And these are affiliate links that are help support the channel at no extra cost to you. So you can use those links to purchase the book. And thank you for the support again. I appreciate it. So I will see you on the next video, guys. Have a great rest of your week. Take care.